Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today I will show you how to do an oil change on a Smart 450 diesel. First you gotta check which oil you need. The Smart takes either 5W40 and will of course replace the oil filter too. You're supposed to change the oil in the Smart every 10,000 kilometers, so it pretty much doesn't matter which oil you end up picking. We decided on 5W30. It's thinner, I think it's better, and off we go. Go to Service here, then to Oil Guide. Then either enter the KBA number here or pick your vehicle from the list, and you can then easily find out exactly which oil you can use immediately. Very conveniently, all in just a few easy steps. So to change the oil on the Smart, we need to get in here. The engine's located in the back, as you probably know. Flip this whole piece over. So we need to carefully take off the trim here and remove that cover. On most Smarts, you don't need a screwdriver. There's a small hook you can simply turn. Take this off right here, and you can already see the engine. The problem with the Smart is that we can only pump the oil out of it. We really can't properly drain it at all, honestly. Of course, let the engine warm up a little bit first, for a short while, because then the oil's thinner and it pumps out a whole lot better. So warming it up makes the oil less viscous and improves how well it can be sucked out, which helps quite a bit. So, in my case, I've got one of those oil siphon cans in the shop. I can use that to pump it out. There are pumps you can buy specifically for that. To siphon the oil, you'll probably have to get one yourselves, or you'll have to unbolt the entire oil pan. I'll show you now that there's no oil drain plug. Here we can already see the problem. On this Smart, we can only pump the oil out because there's no oil drain plug here. But you can fit an oil drain plug by swapping the entire oil pan itself. There's also going to be a video about that. I want to add it too. It just doesn't help to say, only unscrew the oil filter and then think all the oil is gone. It's not, so we have to pump the oil out. We'll do that right now, and then we'll take the oil filter off. Unless you don't want to pump it out, then you could, in theory, unbolt the oil pan. If you've got the engine warm and you've taken the dipstick out, measure about how far you'll need to stick it in. With, of course, a bit of extra slack since it has to go in further, then you'll know roughly where to aim it. Push it in until you've gone as far as you need to, until you feel the first resistance. And you can also, you can see the oil running. You can play it up and down a bit afterward, and there we can already see how the oil runs through to check whether it's all been sucked out yet or not. You take brake cleaner, take the whole thing out once. That's how I always check it, and of course clean it from the inside. So it's nice and clean, and then you can already hear it. I hope you can hear that. Wants to resume vacuuming. And then you've got the right spot. So we take a 27mm socket and unscrew the oil filter housing, or rather the oil filter cap. We fit new oil filter. Let's grab the new oil filter. The new gasket is included. We'll swap that out now, of course. Take out the old gasket. Okay, the new gasket. They will grease it, of course. Get the new oil filter. Put it in. And tighten the whole thing to 25 Newton meters. Screw it in here. We just thread it on first. So, and we then tighten it with the 27 socket to 25 nm now. It's not much, and that's it down here. So, we'll now put in 2.7 liters of oil. Let's run it for a short moment so the oil can flow into the oil filter. And then we just need to reset the service indicator, and we'll be fully finished. After that, we just need to check the oil level to make sure it's between the minimum and the maximum. We'll put it all back together afterward. And now we just have to reset the service once more. Alright guys, we're done with the oil change. Now we just have to reset the service. I'll put a video in here or over here for you. You can click it and then you'll see how the service gets reset. If you liked it, give a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Ciao.